Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't It Man himself, man. And we are up in here, man, with another mother video, man. As y'all can see, man, I'm down at the shop. As y'all can see right there, man, MayRose is not in the shop. And I'm finna close the door. So y'all already know what that means. We finna get out in traffic, man. Because everybody, everybody been wanting to see that footage of MayRose moving in traffic, me drive, me ride, you know what I'm saying, MayRose back. Everybody been wanting to see that. So guess what? Let me make sure I got these keys to the shop. Got the keys to the shop. Cut these lights out. Man, we finna. Yeah, hold on for a second. Man, let me put this together. Hold on. Yeah. We up in here, man. You know what I'm saying? Finna go ahead and get in traffic, dog. Like, I called a couple of the guys and trying to see what was up with them, what they wanted to do. They were like, yeah, man, we'll ride a little bit. So I'm about to go and meet up with a couple of the guys. Finna get in traffic a little bit, man. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all hear me up in here? Hold on. Hit that thing here. Uh-oh, hold on. Uh-oh. Yeah, y'all can't see me, it's dark. So let me go ahead, do what I gotta do. Get the car out, close the gate, hit y'all in a minute. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't It Man himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there. Man, hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels, $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't It Man Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't It Man Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy those enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Yeah, y'all be in traffic. See if Sugar Man at the red light or something. Man, these folks driving so crazy, bro. Like, I'm really gonna put this jump on, man, cause I ain't got time for this right here. Three-inch boilers talking. 3-inch boilers, no more cutouts. Y'all know I took the cutouts off. Ride in, man. Well, I ain't gonna say late night. What time? Oh, it's 10 o'clock. Yeah, it's late. I'm gonna go put this joint up. MayRose gonna go up. Put MayRose back in the bed, man. I'm gonna drive, man. Listen to a little more music. Man, if I get out tomorrow, I'm gonna pick the camera up. Definitely, but I probably ain't though. But yeah. Yeah, we back at the shop. I had fun driving old MayRose, man. Y'all told me I was gonna miss it, but I ain't wanna listen to y'all. But I had fun driving old MayRose, man. Now I gotta man, do a little more driving to MayRose, man. My belt did break on me on the way back though, so I still gotta figure that out. I actually, because the last time it broke on me, I had just got finished talking to Terry. You know what I'm saying? And I called him, he brought me a belt. I told him the size of the belt. We put the belt on, he was like, man, that belt a little tight. Try to I got a big ass handprint on my car. I don't know what. That's crazy. I gotta do something about this. It's a scratch though. Them scratches. I gotta try to buff that out some kind of way. But anyway, he was telling me to go up a half a size on my belt. So I did that. I just put it on. So I'm gonna see how this gonna go. Matter of fact, let me look at it now. It's 10:45. Let me look at it now to see. You know what? It's not gonna act crazy right now, cause like it's lined up how it's supposed to be. I mean, which that's how it be all the time. So is it sitting up? Nope, it's sitting in the grooves. So I don't understand, bro. Like I don't understand. I don't know, dog. I can't figure it out for the life of me. So, like I said, what I'm gonna end up doing is getting another bracket, getting another AC bracket, and then we just go from there. Cause I don't know. I don't know what's going on, so had to figure that out. But right now I'm trying to disconnect this battery. I don't leave my car with the battery plugged up. So another thing that I'm about to explore is I'm gonna try to I need to go and get me a throttle position sensor, because that may be my problem with the know what I'm saying, why the car be acting like you don't want to run and all that old good old stuff there when you first start it up. So definitely gonna do that. You know what I'm saying? Get that sensor together. I'm going to get the good one. I ain't going to get that cheapo. I'm going to get me old AC Delco. And yeah. My root is still doing good, boy. When I came up that road, boy, I was laying on it a little bit. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I was laying on it. But I couldn't record, man, cause it's dark. Y'all wasn't gonna see me, y'all wasn't gonna be able to hear me. So, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say I left y'all in the dark on it, but I kinda just you know, drove it and enjoyed my little time driving it, cause you know what I'm saying, I don't know when I'm gonna do it again. Well, I might take it home one day this week, so I get to drive it again, take it to the house. When I get it home, I can wash it up, detail it real good, try to put some compound on it or something, and you know what I'm saying, try to get this stuff over here, because I don't know. I'm trying to figure out like how this stuff even got on there like that. That's crazy. Y'all can see that, right? That's crazy. So I gotta figure that out. More than likely, I'm probably gonna get the whole car painted over. That's just what's about to happen. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So let me go ahead, get everything in order. Go ahead, man. Get this truck moved back over here. All that good stuff there. I need to leave these keys down here because I had these keys with me last time. Leave these keys down here because I don't need them with me. But yeah, let me go and get everything together, man. And I'll hit y'all in a second. pop nobody now. This joint here kept, I don't know what's going on with that. It kept coming off. Well, not coming off, but I don't know what it was doing. But anyway, yeah. So yeah, let me go. Woo, look at that. Oh Lord Jesus. Let me go ahead and do what I gotta do, man, and I hit y'all back. Yo, what's happening, man? I'm back. That's the next morning. And yeah, I had a blast. Drove the car. Felt good. I did. That belt that I put on that I broke the other day. When I broke the belt the other day, it broke again. So I don't know what that's about. But Terry, like I said, Terry told me to go a half a size bigger on the belt because the tensioner was pretty much like maxed out. So it ain't had no bouncing room or whatever. So I don't know. And it was kind of hard. It was real hard to put that belt on. You know what I'm saying? Like, you had to really force that joint on, kind of. Even with the tensioner maxed out, you had to force it on. And then when you let the tensioner go, it just stayed right there where it was when you had it maxed out. So, yeah, I did that. But for the most part, it felt good. Man, there was a lot of people hitting me up, you know what I'm saying, on Facebook, Instagram, and all that. You know what I'm saying? I seen you, man. This. So it kind of felt good to be back in the car. I'm still where I am with it as far as like if I wanted to really drive it or do anything like that, like I'm still pretty much where I'm at with it. But yeah, man, it was a good feeling though to be back in it, and I know y'all gonna appreciate it. So now, man, where we are, when I get the car back to the house, you know what I'm saying, I can do a few more things or whatever. I ain't gotta pretty much wait on to, you know what I'm saying, go down to the shop and do this, do that. Like, I ain't gotta do all that. I can just really just go ahead and do what it is I need to do. Come out here, do what I need to do. Go in the house, lay down, come back, do what I need to do again, whatever, however I wanna do it. So, yeah, that was the goal. I need to change the oil in it, and I need to change the oil and everything. But yeah, now that we got that out the way, I don't know what else I'm about to do. I don't know if I'm about to do the T-top swap on the Firebird or the roof on the box. I did come up with a name for the box. I appreciate everybody that was sending the names. Excuse me. I do appreciate everybody that was sending the names and all that. So the box is officially dubbed, named, will be known as Etta James. Etta James, y'all know I'm into them old school names. So Etta James will be the name of the box. So yeah, that's what we're doing with that. Yeah, I have been invited to Alabama, Birmingham to be exact, Magic City Classic. Not sure if I'm gonna make it. I want to, but I'm not sure. It would be cool to But I got a lot of stuff that needs to be done, so I don't know how that's gonna go. Regardless, regardless of how it goes this year, if God allows me to see another year, we pretty much gonna be on tour, man, cause we gotta get it, dog. Like we really gotta get it. Like we behind the ball now for real. But yeah, man, I just wanted to come in. I told y'all I'm gonna hit y'all back. Last night when I got home, I was real tired from dealing with the car. I had been at work all day, so yeah, it was pretty much. I was tired, man. So yeah. As far as I know, I probably ain't said too much to y'all about it, but as far as in here. I want to do some things. I want to add some more shelves, and I'm gonna keep that shelf, but I'll probably take all my trophies or whatnot and put it on a shelf over here or something, or I don't know, because I got a lot of stuff that I need to put up, like all this stuff. Well, y'all can't see that, but I got a lot of cleaning stuff and all kind of other stuff that's down there, so. I gotta put all this stuff on shelves. And yeah, I wanna put some entertainment in here, being that this door that I just came out of, that's the man cave, y'all. I think y'all know it. That's the man cave, so I wanna put some entertainment out here that flows from the man cave to out here, because 9 times out of 10, if I'm in the man cave, I'm probably be in and out. You know what I'm saying? Because I can really, like if I want to smoke a cigar or something, I can step right out through here, smoke my cigar or whatever, you know what I'm saying, come on back in or whatever, until I get my ventilation system in there. But yeah, y'all gonna see all that too, so like I said, it's either gonna be, I don't know if it's gonna be the Firebird or the Etta James, but something, I'm finna start on something. I'm gonna still be tinkering with MayRose just to try to perfect what we've done as far as, you know, all that stuff. Yeah, I think that's it. So that being said, dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't a Man himself. Hope y'all enjoying this content, man. I hope y'all stay down with me. Share, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, like the videos. Comment till you can't comment no more. Tell other people to do the same. Yeah, man, we out here.